Perplexity AI API 2024. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Perplexity AI and how you can use its API in 2024. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over to perplexity.ai and you're going to go to its docs where it says, "Welcome to Perplexity API. Our models give you accurate, factual answers to all of your." So to explore the API, you can either do a quick start and start using the API in minutes, or you can get an API reference. So I'm going to go ahead and use this and this at the same time. So first of all, we have this. So this is the initial setup. It says you need to register and make a successful API request. So for that, you're going to start by visiting the API page. So to check the API settings, obviously you're going to want to log in. And to get that, you're going to need to set up a payment or connect a credit card, okay? Because without setting up a payment, you won't be able to set up API for yourselves. Once you do that and register your credit card to get started, this step will not charge your credit card. It just stores payment information for later API usage. So after your API is added, you can generate an API key where every API call needs a valid API key. Okay, so you have available credits, the current usage, and different API keys to work with. You can also make your API call straight away. The API is conveniently OpenAI client compatible for easy integration with existing applications. And so on. We also have codes like CURL, Python, and a whole lot more that it shows you to make your own API call. Now, once you've added your very own API, you can also move over to proper API integration, where you can start integrating your API with the proper AIs that you have. So yeah, basically that's the main idea of Perplexity and how you can use its API for your very own benefits. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.